What have y'all got me in?
This is Paula's kitchen. Aunt Jean's making peanut brittle. We are here, gathered here today with Jesse's Jewels. We are making candy and cookies for Christmas. There's Dan. Say hello, Danny.
Hello, Danny.
He ain't cooking.
He's not cooking. So I'm going to pan around. Okay.
Oh, you measure?
Now, Aunt Jane, you got to speak up so the camera can hear you, and you got to explain this step by step because this is...
All right. Here
Okay.
is, what size? A cup?
Just a regular cup.
There's a cup. There's a cup.
There's a few things that you have to measure.
Now, this is expert advice from a longtime peanut brittle maker from Friendship Pentecost Church.
And this recipe is about 60 years old. I was going to say 30, but
It's been a while.
oh, wow.
Is this the same recipe Mom and all y'all used at Friendship?
Yes, it is.
It's a traditional recipe.
Oh, how adorable.
Now, this is very simple. That's how I cook.
I know where he's
I'm
going
not
to go.
like my sisters. They always
He's
fix
so
fancy
sweet.
foods and good stuff.
Look at him.
And I fix plain
Thank you,
food.
Paula.
Plain home-cooked country
It's plain
food.
recipe. Put all
Yeah,
the
is he like
ingredients
that?
in the pan.
No, I do not have a sandwich.
Yeah, he goes on the door.
But where does everybody go to eat, find a good meal? They go to Sisters. Paula, move that paw holder.
You want creamer?
2 cups of sugar, Paula.
Okay.
Put this over here.
Okay. Get him hurt.
Bless
I'll put
the
him back under
Lord,
the
oh my
sand.
soul, my soul. His holy name seems like never before. Oh my soul. I cook better than I sing.
Okay, just go right ahead. If we don't,
And
we'll
I'm not a
chime in.
good cook.
Paula, move that paw. Danny, move that paw holder. It's right in the way.
So this is a cup, right?
Uh-huh.
2 cups.
I got it.
Moments to treasure.
Oh, my soul.
But I do sing all the time and every when I'm cooking or washing dishes. I've just got to have it.
Well, that's good. My grandmother did that a lot.
Daddy'd always tell stories about when Aunt Lucy, she was sweeping the floor. He always got ready. He said that he knew the minute she picked up that broom, she'd start singing and start dancing in the spirit. And he said he'd grab onto her dress tails and she'd fling him all over the house.
Take a half a cup of sugar, and this is just, I'm just going to
How
half this
sweet.
instead of a measuring cup.
Oh, okay. Water.
Half a cup of water.
Okay.
Hope that's half a cup. And a cup of white syrup.
We use the same recipe. So far. Jean, thank you for this beautiful card. That's very sweet. And I love it.
I'm going to have to find a heavier spoon before it's over, but...
Okay.
Them wooden
Oh,
spoons are
how
there.
sweet.
Oh, yeah.
Thank
Can
you,
you turn
little
this on for me?
Paula.
Uh-huh. You want it on medium?
No, high for it.
Okay. It's on.
Okay, we put this all on, and then we let her cook
Get back to work.
for a
Wow.
long time.
Does it have to boil or what? Till the peanuts start popping?
Perfect.
You cook it
Yeah,
till
they
they
mix
pop, and then you get a cup of cold
Because I
water.
didn't get dog bit
You
this
drop
year.
it,
And I made
drop
the
it
dog
in
bit
there,
next year.
and
So better get yours
brittle,
this year.
it's
I'm
ready
still
to
not
take
around. I may not
Okay.
even be here.
That's why it took all of y'all ladies at Friendship to make the peanut brittle.
the rest
In
of
my
the
bag,
time, we
yes.
just have to
Thank you.
Stir and stir.
I told
Okay.
Lucy, I said, it's a good thing I'm going to school being RMA because that way I
Okay, you
can
can
take
turn me
care
off.
of you.
Well, maybe I ain't ready to turn you off yet. Okay, ladies, we'll be back in a little while. You're on camera. You're live.
All right.
Smile to the camera.
You have to butter your pans real good, and it takes about 5 or 6 or 7. whatever.
Yeah.
But you get your pans all buttered down good. Because when you get ready to pour this stuff up, when you put your soda and your other ingredients in there at the last, you have to wait till it gets ready to
Boil over.
make brittle, gets brittle. And then when you get ready to do that's when you have to hurry and get it poured in the pan.
Okay. And this is the brittle right here that's making.
This is a brittle, and it usually, I never have really timed it, but I think it's about 30 minutes or 40.
Yeah, it looks good.
That's it. And that's all you do. It's simple and easy.
Yeah, simple and easy if you know what you're doing. But if you don't, you can have a pan with stuff you can't get it out of.
So if you let that start straining down, it's getting close to boil.
Oh, okay. Let's see, do it this way so it hold your, okay. If it starts stringing like that, it's getting close.
Close.
Okay. You don't use the candy thermometer?
No, but I use a cup of water,
Okay.
and later on I'll drop some in there when it gets brittle. It's ready to pour it.
Okay.
And then you put your butter, a little bit of dab of butter, and just a little bit of vanilla, and a little dab of salt
Okay.
before you put your soda in there.
What happens when you put soda
You
in?
put your soda in last because it starts foaming up.
And you got to be ready to pour. Stir and pour.
If you wait too long, it won't be brittle. I mean, it'll be more sticky or something.
Chewy. Pull your false teeth out.
Okay, that's it, y'all.